Running a restaurant is a demanding and detailed job. From finger foods to fine dining, no matter what you serve, you want to offer the best to your customers. And as a business owner, you do everything you can to make that happen. But being in the restaurant industry, you know how often things can go wrong and how much of it is out of your control. That's why it's important to have the right types of insurance to keep your business covered from the unique risks you face. And owning a restaurant means facing risks regularly, from fires in the kitchen to slippery floors in the dining area. There's always an accident just waiting to happen. Especially with employees and customers coming and going, you need restaurant insurance you can rely on. At the Hartford, we created our restaurant insurance based on what we know small business owners like you need. In simple terms, restaurant insurance protects the business you've worked so hard to build, covering you from accidents and disasters that could put you out of business when risks become reality. If you're wondering if your restaurant needs coverage, the answer is most likely yes. What kind of coverage is another question. But we can tell you what types of insurance you should have based on what you serve, where you serve, and how you serve. So whether you specialize in catering or coffee, are known for the best burgers in town, or just sell soft serve from a food truck, we'll work with you to get you customized coverage that fits your unique needs. Most likely, we'll recommend you start with a business owner's policy, known as a BOP. This gives you 3 standard coverages in one, giving you much-needed protection while saving you money at the same time. With a BOP, you'll get commercial property insurance, business income insurance, and general liability insurance. We know those terms may not make any sense to you, because let's face it, all the different types of insurance coverages can be overwhelming. And in the fast-paced world of running a restaurant, we know you don't have time to figure them all out. But that's where we can help. Let's go over what kind of accidents and issues restaurant insurance covers, so you can see what you may need. First, let's talk about workers' compensation insurance. We know that most restaurants have employees, and the ones who do are required to carry this coverage, which helps protect the people who work for you while they work. So if your cook slices his finger open or your waitress slips and falls, you don't have to worry about their medical expenses. And if any of your employees drive for work, like making deliveries or picking up supplies, you'll need commercial auto insurance. So if someone runs out mid-shift to restock an ingredient, they'll be covered on the road. Back to the restaurant. If you serve alcohol, you're going to need liquor liability insurance, which helps pay legal costs, court fees, and civil damages that are always a risk when alcohol is involved. Like we said, we know there's so many terms to try and figure out, but you don't have to do it alone. We can walk you through all the coverages you need once we find out more about your restaurant. And if you're wondering how much restaurant insurance costs, we can get you that price too. Just know there's not really one average restaurant insurance cost, because the price per restaurant depends on a few different things, like location, number of employees, and claims history. But we can get you a personalized quote in just a few minutes. Personalized is one thing we pride ourselves on at the Hartford, getting to know your business so we can serve it best. That's what we've done for the 1 million small businesses we serve throughout the country, and that's what we can do for you. See what it's like to work with an insurance company that truly cares. Get restaurant insurance you can rely on no matter what's on your menu. Reach out for your free quote today.